Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to epicconfections. If this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. This week, it is my bae's birthday. Happy birthday, James. So I asked James what kind of cake he wanted for his birthday, and all he said was ice cream. So today I'm going to be making an ice cream cone drip cake with a sundae on top. Let's do it! Go! So to start, we're going to be making the filling first. I'm going to be making a cookies and cream Oreo filling. So I just have some plain white buttercream here, and I have some Oreo crumbs. Super easy. Throw it in that buttercream, and you're just going to mix it up. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's it. Filling done. Easy. Cookies and cream filling. Mwah, so good. So for this cake, I baked off 3 9-inch round chocolate cakes and 2 6-inch round chocolate cakes. I'm just gonna level these out, fill them with our cookies and cream buttercream, stack them up. Let's do it. Let's make sure that's level. Not quite. There we go. I'm just adding a little bit of chocolate sauce right on top of that buttercream. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm drooling. A little bit of buttercream on my board so it doesn't move around. So next I'm going in with a piping bag with plain white buttercream, and I'm going to fill in these gaps here in between the layers of the cake. I'm just going to give this a really rough crumb coat with my hot water and spatula. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing 3 different colors on the bottom tier, kind of like an ombre watercolor effect. On the very bottom I'm going to start with my blue color, then do a little bit of purple, then finish the rest off with pink. So, where's my blue? There we go. So just using an open tip. I'm just going to put that buttercream on really rough and kind of make some triangles with it. Then I'm going to take my purple, do the same thing, and finally my pink. And with a really hot spatula, I'm going to hold it straight and flat right up against the cake, blend them all together. Kind of looks like cotton candy. So I am going to go in and just put a little bit of pink right up here. Fill that in. And see how nice that blends all together? I think that looks so cute. And then with a little bit more pink, you can go around the entire top of the cake. stick a couple dowels in here because I'm going to be adding a second tier. So these are my two 6-inch round chocolate cakes. I'm just going to level them out, fill them with that cookies and cream buttercream, stack them up, and we're going to finish decorating. You had me at bacon. So next I'm just trimming down my cake board to match the exact size of the cake so that when I put it on top of the bottom tier, it'll fit nicely. So for this top tier, the way I'm going to ice it is the opposite. So I'm going to be doing pink on the bottom, purple in the middle, and blue on the top. So next I just melted down some dark chocolate. I'm going to stick it into my disposal piping bag. I'm going to stick it into my disposable piping bag and we're going to do a drip on it. So I'm not filling the entire top with chocolate. I am trying to make a nice even circle. While that is still wet, I wanted to add a little bit of sprinkles on the top. I did put a dowel on the very top, just one, and I cut out a little piece of cardboard. And I'm going to stick him right on. So next I have some ice cream and a waffle cone and this really sexy glass. And I'm gonna make a sundae, put it on top of the cake. Let's do it. I'm going to use some of that cookies and cream buttercream that we used before. And I'm going to put it right in the waffle cone. James's ice cream birthday cake. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this awesome video. Happy birthday, James! I love you! Mwah! And babe, you had me at bacon. Bye.